Have you ever looked at a stock that just never seems to catch a break? The price is low, the PE ratio is tempting, but year after year, it stays stubbornly cheap. I get it. On paper, it looks like a steal. But let's dig into why some stocks seem stuck in bargain bin mode forever. First off, some companies are in dying industries. Think newspapers or DVD rentals. No matter how cheap the stock gets, the business model is fading away. Investors know this, and they're not lining up for a front row seat to a slow decline. Second, there's the value trap. A company can look undervalued, but if its earnings are shrinking or debt is piling up, that low price might be justified. Sometimes, there's a reason nobody's biting. And don't forget about management. If a company's leadership is making poor decisions, wasting cash, or ignoring innovation, investors lose confidence. Cheap stocks with bad management tend to stay cheap. Another factor is perception. Some companies never shake off their bad news reputation. Scandals, lawsuits, market crashes. Even if they turn things around, old headlines keep new investors away. But here's the thing. Sometimes, a cheap stock stays cheap because it deserves to be. Not every bargain is a hidden gem. As tempting as it is to hunt for the next big turnaround, it's important to look past the numbers and ask why the market is passing it over. So, before diving into that forever cheap stock, dig deeper. Cheap can get a lot cheaper if you're not careful. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes, a low price is just the market's way of telling you to stay away.